It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Princess Twilight as an alicorn. That's right, every pony. I have a Twilight alicorn. Not really. It's just a saddle with wings. I found a bin because I was doing all of my ponies that I have out of packaging. I was doing their manes again because it's been like since Christmas since I did it last, so they just needed to get braids rebraided and all of that. And I lost my little comb that I was using, so I was like, I need to find another brush, and I don't want to ask my sister for hers, so where am I gonna find one? And then I remembered a bin, which is still under my bed from when I was little, that had ponies in it. So I said, oh, okay, I'll go check. I have to have a brush in there somewhere. Yeah, I found brushes. But I also found this saddle. And this saddle is very important because it was off of my favorite pony from when I was little. I don't know if it was a licensed My Little Pony at all. Because, well, it's a cheap saddle, but it has nice wings. But it was a pony, and it had wings on the saddle, and it was a unicorn, and it was blue. And, I ended up braiding her hair, and my mom burnt the ends of the hair. So, like, it would stay in a braid for, like, ever. And I just thought that was the coolest thing. And she was, like, my favorite pony to play with when I was little. And I found the wings, and I was like, let's go see if it fits Twilight. And then I realized how small My Little Ponies for G4 are compared to the ones from when I was little. Because you can see around it. And this is like me holding it onto her back. If I let go, it just falls. And I don't know, I just found that interesting. I also found, like, a crap ton of brushes. Like, here's just 3 that I have out. A little comb and an actual brush, and then, like, a legit horse brush. But yeah, I don't know. YouTube fans, do you guys want to see, my old collection of ponies? Would that be something that you're interested in? Because I could totally pull a... Here, let's learn about the olden days, y'all. When ponies were mostly earth ponies and unicorns were princesses, not alicorns. And Pegasi? So, yeah, okay. Pegasi were, like, rare. Back in the days with Firefly and Applejack and Daisy and whatever else the G1 ponies were called. I can't really remember most of them. But yeah. Do y'all want to see that? Would that be interesting? I don't know. Well, here was just a quick little video to show off. Now I'm about to go fix Twilight's hair. Do you want to see what I did to poor Fluttershy? Fluttershy is mad at me. Yeah. I have her hair in a straw curler. It'll probably stay like that for a day or two. And then I got her tail rebraided. And I thought, what I'm gonna do is I'm curling this little, like, ponytail. And it's gonna stay in the ponytail, and then she's gonna have braids on either side. So she's kind of like a hippie Fluttershy now, apparently. So, yeah. And then poor Scootaloo looks like a hippie too, because she's got rubber bands all over her, because I'm trying to teach her hair to stay down. I like the little swoop that it does, and I like her tail being braided. I just want her hair to be straight and down, and so it doesn't, like, when I take out the rubber bands most of the time, it's like, okay, it's like straight up against her head, and then as soon as I get the rubber bands off, it's bloop, and it's just like me, and it's awful. I fixed Sweetie Belle's hair and rebraided. Did I braid Apple Bloom's? I don't even think I touched Apple Bloom. Nope, I didn't. See, because her hair's all nice and pretty. It's just Sweetie Belle's I had to worry about. But yeah. Oi. Well, that's all I was gonna say. So, thanks for listening to me, guys. Love y'all. Have a great day. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Twilight. Goodbye, every pony. I'll see you later. So have a bro huff from Twilight. Bro huff.